So welcome to our YouTube channel Junior App Inventor. So we are today talking about and saw what is date picker and what is the function of date picker and how to implement in our app. So let's get started. Start a new project. We set that name date picker. Okay, let's go. We click on date picker. Okay, here is empty interface of our app. Okay, first we working on date picker, so we take interface date picker. Okay, here we just we change background color as red and text color is white. Okay, now we change also its text joining date. Okay, now we take a label. Okay, here is all I set the date of joining. Okay, here is two things. First is date picker name joining date, and second is label name is date of joining. When we click on joining date is pop up on app screen. When we get a particular date or user get a particular date and click OK, that day is showing on our label. Okay, which is name is date of joining. Okay, let's go with our blocks. Okay, and like and subscribe. Let's get started with our blocks. Here this work is okay. Okay, now go with blocks and we work with blocks. Okay, first we take a date picker. Okay, when date picker dot after date set means after the set date what function do. Okay, it's June, you can saw clearly. Now when date picker dot after date set, okay, means what function is running after the date set. Okay, first we take a label, means label 1 what things so after date set. Okay, we get text. Okay, we first we take for date. Okay, here is day. Okay, well first we take for day. Okay, here we set. Okay, now second thing we take a blank string. Okay, or also called text string. Here is we set a dash. Okay, for manually separate a date, month or year. Okay, we also for more string we want. Okay, here is month dash for year. Okay, now we take for here is date, then dash, and then month. Okay, date picker, here is also month. Yes, the dot. Okay, now also we take again dash for separate month and year, and now we get year. Okay, yes, so work is done. We go designer part and test our app. Now our app is running now. Okay, we get test. Okay, when we click on joining date, okay, we click on joining date and set the date of joining. Okay, let's get January 1 January, okay, 2020. Okay, then when we click on set, what is the label showing? Yes, you can see this. Okay, yes, here is 1/1/2020. Okay, now our app is running and proper running. Okay, please like and subscribe and also share this video with our friends or our community. Okay, thanks for this. Thanks a lot for giving time. Thank you.